Connecting with couples and converting leads, a behind-the-scenes guide with WeddingPro. Meet Sasha and Angel. They met at college in New York. They just got engaged and have about 1 year to plan all their wedding events. They also have busy schedules and no clue how to start planning. But they have lots of great ideas. They're looking for vendors to bring their wedding vision to life. From the very beginning, you can set yourself apart through your storefront. Since Sasha has a busy work schedule and social life, he might send a templated message because it's easy and saves him time. And because you're busy too, you might also use quick replies to keep a two-way conversation going. Like most couples, Sasha and Angel are hiring 14 vendors on average, reaching out to about 5 vendors per category. That means they're sending at least 70 messages. That's a lot. They expect a response within 24 hours. A fast reply shows that you're communicative, accessible, and easy to work with. Because they're planning in bursts and negotiating busy lives, work, and lots of ideas from family and friends, they might not get back to you right away. But respond quickly when they do. Use real-time notifications and read receipts to see when they're active, so you can tailor the what and when of your replies. And use lead tags designed to improve lead quality to your advantage. For example, if a couple is actively inquiring, use thoughtful, custom responses to stand out from the pack. With messages coming in from different vendors, couples pay attention to the best replies. These tools will help you make a real connection with couples. In turn, it will minimize ghosting, which is a priority for us based on your feedback. And by optimizing your lead replies and connecting quickly and authentically, you can set yourself apart, proving that you're the one to help make their day truly them.